Assalamu alaikum and greetings everyone, and welcome to Physics 5054, a complete course that should take you through GCE O-Level Physics. What we're offering you is number 1, complete syllabus coverage based on the official syllabus. Number 2, active help with queries. Any point you have any questions, you can put them down in the comments. We'll be there to solve them for you ASAP. Number 3, past paper sessions. These will probably be done after I'm done with the videos. I'll have proper yearly sessions where you can attend live. Number 4, quick revision. Somewhere near the test date, I'll be doing quick revision. Just the basic pointers that you need to know, that you know you're completely ready for your paper. Number 5, notes. Once I'm done with everything, I'll be uploading notes, handwritten, so you can go through those as well. Now, what your timeline should look like for your revisions is, after you start, ideally now is good, through August all the way up to December, you need to clear your concepts. You can watch the videos I'm uploading. You should complete your notes in concrete. The best way to learn is to write it down yourself. And you need to get a feel for the syllabus. Your concepts should be crystal clear by now. Okay? You don't have to do the rote learning part or anything. Just make sure your concepts are good. Step 2. January to March, you need to find out what's missing. Now, you know the syllabus content, you have an idea of the concepts, you try applying them. Do some yearly past papers, the older ones, say start from 2018, 2019 onwards, and find the harder topics, find the questions that you get stuck on. Go back to the concepts, wash, rinse, and repeat. Now, by the end of this, you should have a solid understanding of your topics. In April, you finish up. You start with the latest, say 2021, 2022, the specimen papers and all. You grade yourself based on the marking scheme. Figure out what grade you need, right? So ideally, if you're averaging a B to start with, you could move up to an A or an A star. Set your goals at this level. Okay, you need to get your feel for your marking scheme, because if you understand the marking scheme, you understand how to do your paper. Step 4. In May, all the way up to your paper day, you take it easy. You're mostly prepared, you're done. You continue with your yearlies, go over your notes again. This is important because the notes give you your final coverage. And read through the syllabus. I'll be helping you out specifically in this period with the targets, one-on-one, and we can work this out really well. And finally, best of luck. Last but not the least, be kind to yourself. Take your breaks, be serious, but do not burn yourself out at this point. If you start now, you'll be able to space it out nicely, you'll be able to organize yourself, and everything will fall into place. I know it's hard, I know there's a lot of subjects, a lot of stress, a lot of stuff to cover. But start now, and you'll be able to take it in your stride. Finally, I'm really looking forward to starting this journey together, and inshallah we'll go through this together.